Hey, good evening, and welcome to Day Trading Nomads. Glad y'all could be here. Glad y'all could be here. Hope everybody had a green day. It was an interesting day by far. What's happening, Missile? Hey, I just went out back, and your bike is still there, man. Jesse James, Jeff Koski, good to see y'all. Who else isn't already here? Guess it's a slim crew tonight. Yeah, Nightbot's here. Missile, Jeff, Jesse. All right. Well, and Mike Schwartz is here. Hey, Mike, what's happening, brother? Good to see you. Glad you could be here. Glad you could join us. All right. We got 14 people so far. Say hi. Welcome aboard. Belly up. Get a beer. It's all on me. No pivot. No pivot. There you go, Missile. Hey, Jeff, what's your question? Okay, so if you want to see king timing, which I do not have on my charts, let's see if we could do that. Hold on just a second here. Let's go over here, go to indicators. Hopefully it doesn't hang me up. All right. So if we go down, let's see here, right here, you'll see Auto SMLK Pro. You got it? We'll go ahead and add it. And we'll move it up where it belongs up here alphabetically. Now, let's see where settings for the king timing lines and background. Hey, Greg, and background widths. Okay, so don't think we can adjust it from here. Trying to figure out exactly what you're asking. But we'll click OK, and we'll see what that does. All right, so we've got the king timing lines on the chart. Now, do you want to see how to adjust the widths of the lines or the background widths? Are you talking about having it have the shaded areas? You want the shaded areas. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you where to go to find that video, because you have to close and restart NinjaTrader once you do it. So let's do a couple of things here. Okay. All right. So why is that still? It's making me do it twice tonight. I don't know why. All right, there we go. All right, Jeff. So let's take a look at this real quick. And if we go to AlgoBox and we come down here, you see this little ribbon right here. And you go to the magnifying glass and you search for SMLK. Hit enter. How to customize. So right here is the video. Well, let's see here. I actually think it's this one. All right, so we want to close that. And what I'll do is in the chat, Jeff, there's a link to the video. I hope that helps you out, brother. All right. What did I miss? That would be great if your protege can take some of the load and allow you to trade more. Okay. Anytime, Jeff. Anytime, brother. What's happening, Coop? Good to see you. Greg C, I think I already said hi. Pineapple Pete. Yep. No pivot, brother. No pivot. All right. Just trying to get a few things set up here, guys. So just bear with me. All right. Almost done. Okay, back in the chat. I don't know how to use CapCut, but I can tell you that OBS has trouble if you're trying to capture it as a window. If you're trying to capture it, I don't know the answer to it. That's why I've struggled with that actually for quite some time, Missile. And what I ended up doing was just creating multiple desktop spaces in OBS. And I can't remember exactly what it's called, but I'll take a look real quick. And yeah, display captures. So you want to do a display capture. And I don't know exactly why you can't do it, but I just know you can't. So, yeah, because when you get into it, let me pop it open. All right, I'm going to pop open. If you do a Windows capture, tell me if you can see that. Can you see that? Okay. So when you go into Windows capture, you click OK. Whoop, popped off the screen. So when you try to capture a chart, let's see, let's find a good chart here. Okay, so that's an ES chart, right? And if I go to automatic, match titles, it comes up with a black screen. If I go to that one I still have a black screen. If it's bit, but if I go to this one, nope, still doesn't work. So if I go to Windows 10, you can see what happens. I capture the window, but I can't capture the chart inside the window. And I don't know why, but it does it every single time on every single setting. So what I end up having, yeah, I know. I asked Curtis G and I asked Neo, and I never really got an answer. So in any event, that's what's going on. But if you go to, here's the crazy thing. So let's go to, I think I have a market analyzer. If I go to a market analyzer screen, it pulls it up right there. Bam. It picks it up. No problem. No questions asked. So there you go. So, you know, if I want to go catch Vinny's, right there, I can grab that whole window right there. No problem. But when it comes to capturing the screens with the charts, can't do it. Can't do it. All right. We got the technical questions out of the way. It is almost the top of the hour. And we have 18 people watching. 789 subscribers. And we have 12 likes. If you haven't hit that like button, do me a favor. Click it now. Hit that subscribe button. Hit the bell notification button. All support is greatly appreciated. I had no trouble before and didn't change anything. Had no problems before. Get the paper. Get the paper. Timmy 2 times. Huh? Okay. Movie. Okay. Timmy 2 times. Get the paper. Get the paper. Was that Goodfellas? All right. Hoodfellas. There you go. All right. Jesse, if you're listening, make sure you take your meds. Thank you, sir. I appreciate that, Missile. Oh, man. I am trying to put an order together here, guys. Gotta get it in. Gotta get it in. All right. Almost done here. The market is just consolidating, not going anywhere. All right, we do want that. We do want that. Want that. We want that. Definitely want that. Okay, we're going to pass on that one. Okay, guys. Hey, Epic, what's happening? Good to see you, man. All right. That should take care of me. Get rid of that one. All right. I hear some clicking. Anytime, brother. Glad it helped. Glad it worked. All right. What we got going on here? Got a lot of noise on those charts, don't they? All right. All right, we got it. We got it. Let's schedule that puppy for tomorrow. Keeps asking me if I want more stuff. Oh, I do want more stuff. Yeah, we want one of those. They got me. They got me. We'll get a can of those and we'll get a can of those. And that's it. All right. Continue to check out. Don't add no more stuff. Don't need no more stuff. And we'll go with that one. And continue. Thank you, Epic. Everybody hit that like button. Appreciate the support. Kind of a slow night here. Jesse was supposed to be here. John is gone. John is out on a boat, on the water, being a true nomad. So jealous. All right. My order is placed. That phone call has been addressed. And Jesse, if I didn't remind you, take the medicine. Take your medicine. Take your medicine. Okay. All right. Been a busy day. A lot of work going on. A little bit of trading. Hope everybody was green. So I ended up in my eval up $898. So I'm calling it 900. Then I switched over to cash. I was up 100. I was up 200. I was down 250. And I ended up break even. I ended up right back exactly. No, actually, no. I'm up $10. I ended up $10.81 for the day. Hey, Casey, look who's here. All right. What's going on, Casey? Just me and you in the fence post tonight, man. All right. So, what do we have in store for news tomorrow? Tomorrow is the 14th, right? Green is green. Nice. All right. So, tonight we had. Nope. March 14th, right? Yep. Okay. We got a lot of high impact news on the European side of life. Got French CPI, German CPI, UK GDP, UK manufacturing, all that at between 3 and 4 a.m. And then some people are talking. And then one of my favorite news reports is the University of Michigan sentiment. Hey, what's going on there, Kumar? Good to see you. But yeah, that's one of my favorite. It's always a good cause of volatility. So be careful when you're trading tomorrow. Remember that you got news at 10. There is nothing at 8:30. Nothing. Nada. Zilch. Zip. De nada. So anyway, just be careful with that. All right. I guess we could talk about earnings. I don't know what I did with my earnings report, so I'll pull it back up now. So let's see here. It's not going to be on that screen. Let's try that one. And we'll go there. Yeah. Oh, here's some interesting news. Apex, 80% off sale ends tonight. If you guys are going to reload with any Apex accounts, sure would appreciate any support. Use code Nomad. I believe it's Nomad. Yes. Use code Nomad. You think I know what my code is, right? So, but yeah, I would appreciate that. Code Nomad. There you go. Printing some cash. Hey, print me out a little bit too there, man. I'm not greedy. I'll just take, 50K, 100K. That'd be great. Shit, right now, I'd settle for a 20. Anyway, yeah. So 150, 253 are all priced the same at 297, then take off 80%. Yeah, I'm not doing that. Okay. All right, guys. So code Nomad if you're going to use Apex. Now let's keep going back. Back. Earnings. There we go. There's my earnings report. So let's see here. Let's see if I can do this without disclosing too much information. All right. So we'll just go right over here. Can everybody see that? So tomorrow is Friday. All that for pretty much de nada. Nobody I'm really interested in. All right, so that was a nothing burger. Let's see if I can slap it back up there. Sunday night, we'll go over all the earnings reports for the following week and see if we can't. I really do want to play more in that market. Dude, this market's going zilch, zero, de nada, nowhere. Dude, if that chart was hooked up to my EKG, they would say I'm dead. I flatlined. Man, this has been ugh. Okay. All right. I'm guessing we're not going to have a Jesse tonight. Maybe he's working late. But that's okay. I'll do my best to keep you entertained. All right. Yeah, Casey, he's going to be gone. He left today, early this afternoon, and as he was leaving, he said there's a chance he might be back Sunday night. If not, it'll definitely be Thursday before he gets back. Yeah, he's got a lot of business down in Southeast Florida, down around Dade and Broward County, and got to pay attention to those. Shit, that's backwards. You got to pay attention to those clients. Man, why didn't y'all tell me I was backwards? Okay, that's better. 24 people, 789 subscribers. How many likes do we have? I am showing we got 19 likes. It's 9:18 on the East Coast here. Hopefully this thing will get rocking here in a little bit. Hopefully. It is kind of discouraging. Kind of quiet. Oh, man. Let's see here. What is going on here? Okay. That's working. Just making sure that the audio box is working because I sure don't hear nothing. And what I'm not going to do, I'm just not going to force a trade. Oh, shit. Well, that's not good. That's why it's so quiet. All right, guys. I got to put on a cheat sheet, so just hang tight here. I got to reboot. Well, not reboot. I got to reload AlgoBox. So just bear with me here a second. All right. Let's do that one. All right. Nope, J-Trade, they are not moving. They are not moving. All right. Let's see. I guess. What hung up? Okay. It exited just fine. All right. All right, let's see if this dude fires back up. I see some life. No, I hear you, Casey. I hear you. Okay, what is going on? Is it gonna work? Is it gonna work? Okay, it looks like it's coming back. Hey, Geo Trades. Now it's a party. Good to see you, Gio. Glad you could join us tonight. All right, it's almost ready. Check, 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 check. All right. It's on like Donkey Kong. Gio, we're glad you could make it, man. It's always a pleasure to see you. All right, data is loading. Let's go. Loading, loading, calculating. Calculating, calculating, loading. Loading and calculating. Calculating, calculating, calculating. I swear you would think I have 80 charts up. Well, I see it moving. Hey, hey, hey. Do I need to go out and get some participation trophies? All right, let's turn that one off. Let's make sure we got everything up and running. Click, 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 tick, tick, tick. That's working, that's working, that's working. I think we're live. All right. And we're back. Probably just missed the biggest move of the night, right? Look at all that clustering on the ES. All right, guys, it's time. I'll be right back. Got a liquidity issue. Oh, and I didn't mean to say that. Missile, I got to go check on your bike. I'll be right back. Missile, your bike is still there. But I got to tell you, last night you missed it because John went naked. And when I say naked, apparently when he goes naked on a position, he goes naked. He goes hog wild crazy. Anyway, he was out there on your bike. He was doing wheelies. He was standing on the seat and driving. He was actually standing on the handlebars driving with his feet. Pretty funny. What's even funnier is, yep, you guessed it, he was naked. I can talk about him because he's not here. Hey, we got some movement. It's going down. Let's see if we can get us a signal here. What's it gonna do? Bottom half of the hour? That's right, I can whip his butt. All right, let's see if this thing is gonna do anything else. Going down. All right, so I believe HSI just opened. Let's see what it did. All right. Doesn't look like it did much of anything crazy. Let's see if we pop back up, if we can catch us a trade. Not in any hurry, not trading any evals tonight, simply trading cash. So let's see what we can do. I think Missile went out back to check on his bike. I definitely wiped that seat off. Step away for just a minute, and look what happens. I missed the move. Maybe we'll get a nice rip up. Oh, brother. Uh-oh. All right, we got a Delta ready up on the 9s. It's coming back. Let's see if it'll jump above. Let's see if we can get something going here. There you go, Gio. What's your what you thinking there? Play back to the DCDM. I think it's a good number there, Gio. I really do. Just would like to get a signal. All right, coming up on it. No. No. What's happening, John? Are you on the boat? All right, we got 25 people at the bar, and we got 26 likes. If you haven't already, do me a favor. Hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that bell notification button. It will be greatly appreciated. All right, Gio, so you're talking about, let's see here. Let's take a look at our volume profile charts tonight. Let's see what's going on here. So, let's see, 412, he's targeting a minus development area, must be right in there. All right. Well, we've already hit the high. I mean, our current high is 14 and 4.25, 425.75. No, John, we're not doing London tonight. Nice try. I'd like to see it get back up to this morning's open range. Geo. You got to get through this minus development first. I guess we're already in that minus development area now. And it looks like it's retreating. Maybe it gives it another pump. All right, let's go back to our other chart. We can't even get enough likes for me to stay up past 10. Oh, good grief. There is a lot of news tonight in the European market. All right. Will it hit 412? Come on, let's go for Geo. Let's go, Geo. 409, 410. I saw 410 and a half. There it is. It hit your 412, brother. Missile, you never show up for London. There you go, Geo. Good trade, man. Good trade. All right, let's see if we can pump it up a little bit more. I say we rip it up to 450. Dude, awesome trade. That was awesome. All right, let's see if we can catch something on the way back down. Sure would like to get a signal. I think it's going to pop it. I think it's trying to pop 415. Does it do it? There it goes. 415. Does it pop 418? Do we take out 418? Because if 418 goes, we're on our way up to 445. All right. Now we're cooking. Let's see if we can hit 445. All right. I am poised for the return trip. How high will it go? Hey, man, you got 14 points out of it. You done good, kid. You done good. Let's see if we can catch a reversal here. Not quite sure it's done yet. Really don't think it's done. It was a pretty big delta spike there, though. There it goes. I didn't think it was done. I'm thinking it's going to 445. Let's go. All right, Missile. What are we doing here, brother? I'm not going to FOMO into the long. Not going to do it. Not going to FOMO into the long. I didn't get it, buddy. I appreciate the sentiment. All right, we got a new high. It's coming back down. Let's see what it does when it gets to the 50. All right, all of our channels are green. I still think it's going to try to take out 445. Let's see if it bounces. That would have been a nice return. That would have been a nice return trip. Let's see if it goes up and comes back down. I know it's rather young, but you got, looks like it may be trying to form a quick triple top. Head and shoulders. Let's see if we can see what's going on there. There's, oh, you guys can't see what I'm pointing at, can you? Okay. There's one. There's the head. Is that the second shoulder? And do we take the return trip? All right, so we broke the 50. What's it gonna do? I'm not taking any trades without some kind of order flow event. Not gonna do it. Wouldn't be prudent. I want to see if I had the sharks on here. I thought I had them on there last night. Harmonic patterns. Got the sharks. All right. Does it go back up? What's happening, Andrew? Good to see you, brother. We're waiting to see if this thing is going to bounce or if it's going to dive. Just waiting on some kind of signal. Haven't had anything since the Delta Ready up. Oh, we did have a cross down there. All right, do we bounce off the 200? As you can see, the dollar is steadily coming down. It was a rather fast rise. And like Vinny says, when it's fast, it's not going to last. All right, let's see if I'm not going to take it. I'm waiting for a signal. Gonna wait. Gonna be patient. You know, they say if you're not having any bad trades, you're not taking enough trades. Well, I'm going to hold out on that one. All right. What are we going to do now? All right, let's see if we can come back down, take out the 200 one more time. We can dip below and go. Okay, Geo. Targeting 390. Just remember, we got a naked POC out there. We got a naked POC at 19,368. I lost my open range. All right. All right, I'm hearing sellers. I'm hearing sellers. I think we lost John too. All right. Wrong way. All right. Hey, Gio, what was your entry? I should have went long. I was actually thinking about going long right around here. Got the fiddle farting around with something else and missed it. But didn't get a signal either, so. $4.18 was your entry, so you're taking a little bit of heat right now. Is it a mini or is it a micro? I got you. Okay. That's good. Not too much pain. Hey, what's happening, Jason G? Long time no see. Glad you can make it in. No, I hear you, Gio. I hear you. I'm not liking that cross either. Not for your trade anyway. Because remember, that red kind of indicates retail is stepping in and taking the shorts, which means institutions are going to be looking long. Let's see what it does when it gets to the top of that cross. That's awesome, Jason. Glad to hear it, man. Yeah, that would have been a nice move. If I'd have got in where I wanted to get in, let's say we took it to there, that would have been 63 ticks. That was a nice move. That was a nice move. Missile, that's impossible, man. Speak. Say it. Say it. All right, so we got a double delta. Let's see what happens. Come on. Give us a good signal. Can we come back down? 391. Let's go hit it. Let's go hit it. Come on, Gio. Let's see if it pops down below that cross. I will not call out my trade opinions if you move your stop. Dude, I want your opinion. Give me your opinion. Give me your onion. There you go, Missile. Good advice. Good advice. Wow, Jason, that's impressive, man. That is impressive, brother. There you go, man. Well, you're already down, what, 13 points? You got 13 points under your belt? See if I just hate hold numbers, man. Hate hold numbers. See if we can break that 1,400. I mean, that 400. Okay. You took the profit. Good job. Always be closing. ABCs. That is huge. That is huge. All right, folks. Well, it is that time. We didn't make it. Only 31 likes with 39 folks in the room. It is unfortunately time to call it a night. Guys, I appreciate all your support. Glad to see everybody. I will be back Sunday night. Look forward to seeing everybody here. Y'all have a great one. Stay green tomorrow. Be careful about the Michigan news at 10 a.m. All right, folks. Y'all have a good one. We'll see you soon. For Jesse, John, and myself, we'll see you next week.